create a bill payment receipt. In this output payment receipt, price in characters are not allowed in price. Okay, price 100, quantity 5, total price 500. Auto calculate in total price. Quantity into price is equal to total price. Quantity character price, character are not allowed in discount. Okay, 18% discount, sorry, 10% discount. Total price 500 with discount 10%, total 450. Tax 12%, total 450 including tax 12% is equal to final total 504. Paid amount, character are not allowed in paid. Okay, 500, so balance, final total minus paid amount is equal to balance. But in this case final amount is greater than paid, so paid amount should be less than final amount. Okay, receipt. So in this code, in bill payment, in Bootstrap, use on input validate function and calculate total. So function call calculate total, let price, let quantity, let discount rate, tax rate, paid, total after tax. Total price is equal to formula price into quantity with display in total price. Same discount rate. A discount rate is equal to total price into discount divided by 100. Total after discount is equal to total price minus discount amount. Keep loop, tax rate, same, paid, function validation. Character are not allowed in price. Pattern in numbers. Validation quantity, validation discount, tax rate, paid. So final